Ouais, papa.
Ok, encore une fois.
I will teach you.
Ok.
Repeat after me.
Ok.
You are my sunshine.
You
Wait.
are my sunshine.
Wait.
Ok.
You are my sunshine,
You are
my
my sunshine.
sunshine, my lovely sunshine.
My lovely sunshine.
You make me happy.
You make me happy.
The skies are gray,
The skies are good.
and don't take my sunshine away.
But don't take my sunshine away.
A bad grain.
Papa boleh smile? Smile, Papa.
and I will do it again. You.
Papa dito. Isusuffle.
You are my sunshine,
You
my
are my-
lovely sunshine.
Repeat again, please.
Okay. This comes from my side, okay? And then I said, "Oh, that's hot."
You have some?
Yes.
Thank you.
Ooh, that's hot.
What are those?
They're peanuts.
In French.
I don't know.
You wanna know?
Pistache.
Pistache.
Mhm.
In French, it's cacahuète.
Cacahuète. En Malagasy, c'est quoi? Cacahuète?
Cacahuète, c'est en français.
Ok.
En Malagasy,
C'est quoi?
je sais pas. Pistache.
Non.
C'est quoi?
En anglais, c'est pistache.
Non.
En anglais, c'est peanuts.
Voilà. Et en français,
C'est quoi?
cacahuète.
Cacahuète.
En malgache,
C'est quoi?
c'est
C'est.
tiens non. Pistache. Voanji.
Hey guys, follow my channel. Click like. And if you follow my channel, I will give you a surprise.
Louisiana, what surprise?
A girl surprise. Girly, that's fun.
What surprise are you gonna give them? With what money?
I will give them a pink dog with money.
You're gonna give them a pink dog with money?
Yes.
Who's gonna pay for the pink dog and who's gonna give the money?
You.
Oh no.
Yes. Oh, yes. That's it.
You better call your daddy.
No, you better call your daddy.
Louisiana?
Susanna? No, you pretend to be Susanna. I pretend to be mommy.
Oh, little girl. Little girl.
Oh, little girl. Oh, little girl.
You being sassy?
Are you being sassy? I'm cute. Are you kidding me?
Did you sleep on the right side of the bed this morning?
Did you sleep on the bed last morning?
Louisiana,
Susanna,
you know what?
you know what?
I'm not gonna. Okay, now it's on. Okay.
Everybody,
Yep, it's on now.
Everybody, I want to be boys and girls, and I love my dad, and I love Angelo, and I love my mom.
Yes, so you want to,
Everybody.
so you're telling everybody that you want to be team boy and also team girls, right?
Yes.
But what's your favorite team? You have to choose one team. What would it be?
It was to be
It's a little bit hard.
mom's team.
You have, no, do you like team girls or team boys?
Team boys. I mean, team girls.
Team girls?
Yes.
Okay, so if there's a team girls, who all are gonna be in it?
Lily, Luna,
And who else? Girls, team girls.
and Lulan.
But Nolan is a boy.
Oh, of course. Here we go in boys' team.
Yes, exactly. So now if you had to choose, what are you gonna choose? What team are you gonna choose?
Mommy's team.
Okay, mommy's team? Okay, so no boys, just girls.
Yes.
And you are okay with that decision?
No. I want both teams.
You want both teams?
Yes.
Okay, why?
Because I want to choose mommy's and boys' teams.
Why the boys team?
Because I want to go in boys' team and your team.
Well, why do you want to go in the boys team and you're a girl?
I'm a little bit boy.
You're a little bit boy?
Yes.
Okay, well, who's going to be on the boys team?
Me,
Okay, and who else?
Lulan, and the girls.
Nolan and the girls are going to all be with the boys team?
And yours too. He's gonna love you and he's gonna love the boys too.
Okay. Well, I guess we're just going to have to make an exception. Okay, what do you want to tell everybody? Because you told me to take a video of you. What do you want to tell to everyone?
I'm sorry to be sparkly.
You're sorry to be sparkly?
Yes,
Why do you have to be sorry?
because I have to be sorry to be sparkly.
You're so silly.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Did you have a good day today?
Yes.
Someone is saying, hello Louisiana, petite princesse. Est-ce que tu
Yes.
Est-ce que tu es une princesse?
Oui.
Est-ce que tu es une grande princesse ou une petite princesse?
Princess.
Ok, tu peux montrer petit? C'est comment petit? C'est comme ça ou comme ça?
C'est comme ça.
Et une grande?
Mais c'est trop petit comme ça.
D'accord.
Et grande, c'est comme ça.
Ouais. Et tu es une grande princesse?
Oui.
Ok. Alors, Team Girls, en français, c'est comment? Comment on dit ça?
Team Girl.
No! Girls in French. En français, c'est quoi?
Team Girls.
En français?
Team Girl.
No, fille.
Fille.
Mhm.
Mi fille.
Mi fille. No, ni is teeth. C'est pas la même chose. Fille.
Fille.
Fille is girls. Team, voila. And boys, what's boys in French?
Dix.
Garçon.
Dix.
No, you gotta say garçon. Can you say garçon?
I can't.
Why?
I can't do dix.
I'm silly. Okay, so we're gonna be team girls. So we're gonna do girls things tomorrow. Is that a plan?
No.
You don't want to do anything with me tomorrow?
I want to do with you.
What do you want to do?
I want to play with you.
Want to play? Do you want to get our nails done?
Uh-huh.
That's what girls do.
Yes, girls do.
What-
Hate nails. Not only boys. Boys
Okay.
only hate makeup like this. Oh.
They don't. Boys don't like it, but
Yes,
girls, we're gonna get our nails done. What colors?
girls like it.
What color do you want?
Pink.
And what color should I get?
Pink too.
Okay. Okay. What about your hair?
Pink.
We're not gonna color your hair pink.
I think rainbow.
You have rainbow hair,
Yes. Rainbow braids, I said.
braids.
Mm-hmm.
You want it to be rainbow? Oh, girl, you so silly, girl. Okay, I see you. Oh, do you want a crown too, maybe?
That's yellow.
A yellow crown?
Yes.
Okay.
Princess only have yellow crowns.
Okay. What about... Okay, and then what are you going to wear tomorrow?
Tomorrow I will wear a bracelet just on my arm.
A bracelet?
Yes.
Okay,
Tomorrow.
that's an accessory. What are you going to wear?
A bracelet.
That's an accessory. What are you going to wear on your body?
A princess dress.
Because you're a princess?
Yes.
Yeah.
Pink princess dress.
Okay.
Princess only have that.
Only pink stuff.
Yes.
What about red dress?
I do like that.
You don't? What do you like?
I like yellow and pink.
You like yellow and pink?
Yes.
That could be beautiful.
No, I like yellow and I like pink and purple.
You like pink and purple?
Yes.
You don't like white dresses?
No, I don't like white.
Really? What about blue?
I don't like blue.
Why?
Blue is for boys.
But there's boys wearing pink.
Yeah.
But for real, you can see boys wear pink stuff.
Boys don't wear pink.
But they do.
They don't like pink.
Some boys like pink, I promise.
Boys don't wear pink.
Then, listen, I'm going to buy Angelo a pink shirt. Do you think he's going to wear it?
No.
Why?
He's a boy. He don't wear pinks. He don't like pink.
Okay, what if I buy you a blue dress?
No,
But it's blue and it's a dress.
I don't like blue.
Oh, really?
Yes. Blue is for boys and I'm a girl.
But you're wearing a blue pajama.
Yeah, I don't like it.
You're so silly. You're so silly. Okay, well, I guess we're going to have to find pink dresses tomorrow, okay?
To me,
For you, yes.
but not for boys.
But you said Louisiana, you said you're going to be team girls and boys.
But I don't want to be boys anymore.
Okay, so it's just me and you. Okay. All right, so we're going to get our nails done.
Pink.
We're gonna get it pink. And then we're gonna...
Yours is brown.
Why do I have to wear brown?
Wait, yours pink.
Okay, so both of us, we're gonna have pink nails, okay?
Yes, and our feet.
Our feet too?
Yes.
We're gonna get it painted? Okay. Okay. So we're gonna have a good day tomorrow. We're gonna get ourselves taken care of. We're gonna be pampered. We're gonna look so nice, yeah?
Nail first.
Nails first, okay. And then you want pink hair.
I don't want pink hair. I like rainbow hair.
Okay. We'll put rainbow stuff on your hair. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Me too?
Yes.
Oh, I don't know how we're gonna make this happen.
I don't know.
But we're gonna make it happen, okay? Okay.
Girl team.
Girl team.
Yeah.
Yes. We're gonna have so much fun.
Yes.
Okay, and then what do you want to eat tomorrow?
Tomorrow I will eat apple. Apple is healthy.
It is healthy.
Apple is for health.
Okay. And what else is healthy? Maybe a salad?
Yes. Burgers are not healthy.
Burgers are not healthy. No burgers.
No burgers.
What about cheese?
Cheese is healthy.
Okay. And what about ice cream?
Ice cream is not healthy.
Good job. What about candy?
Candy is not healthy.
Okay. What about vegetables?
Vegetables is healthy.
Can you cough and clear your throat? Do that. Again? Good job. All right. So tomorrow we're going to have salad.
Salad.
And vegetables.
Yes, it's healthy.
And you're going to eat some?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to get you vegetables and you're going to finish it?
Mm-hmm. You like vegetables?
I love vegetables.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Angelo likes burger.
Angelo is not healthy? Yeah. But he's adorable, right?
Yes.
You love your brother.
Yes, I love my brother. He just loves me.
He does love you so much.
He just kills me on the face.
He
Ew.
does.
Ew, that's yucky.
But he loves you, so your brother kissed you on the face.
I love you.
I love you.
Kiss you.
Oh, you're so sweet. And who else loves you?
Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy kissed me, and I kiss her.
Oh, that's so sweet.
I love my daddy.
Aw, you miss him?
He eats vegetables.
No, he doesn't.
What?
Your daddy don't eat vegetables.
Yes, he do.
What kind of vegetables does he eat?
Hamburger.
That's not a vegetable. Your dad is a carnivore.
Carnivore.
Yeah.
He eats burgers. Oh man. Oh man.
Yeah, girl, I'm telling you.
I drink milk.
What's your favorite food?
Vegetables.
Don't lie. Tell me the truth. What's your favorite food?
Vegetables.
What kind?
Not candy. Not candy.
Louisiana, do you like candy?
No, I don't like candy.
Are
I
you
want some candy now.
Okay, but what do you like?
I like some.
I think you like zucchinis.
I like zucchini. They're healthy.
And you like carrots.
I do like carrots.
And you like potatoes.
Yes, I do.
and you like noodles.
No, it's not healthy.
Okay, but you do like it.
I know.
It's okay. You can tell me if you like it. You're not gonna be in trouble.
Trouble.
Do you like noodles? But do you like it? It's okay. Tell me the truth.
Can't see anymore.
Why? Why don't you like candy? What does it do to you?
Because it's sick, boom, boom, sick, that, boom, boom.
It's gonna do what to you? Show me. It's gonna do what?
It's gonna do sick, that, boom to me. Sick, that, boom.
Candy makes you do that? Louisiana. Okay, why are the lights not working? Who did it? Who turned off the lights?
It was on my side and then it was off.
It was on and then it was off?
Yes,
Who did it?
it was the mama.
Dirama?
The boy wanted on because he's like the cinema wanted off because he's not nice.
Can you clear your throat? Again? Is Dirama a boy or girl?
Boy. No. No.
Dirama is not a person. Girl, you're just a silly girl.
Girl.
Okay,
Girl.
can you sing us a song?
You are my sunshine, my lovely sunshine. You make me happy. The skies are gray. Lean down, take my sunshine away.
You're so sweet. All right, well, say goodnight to your friends.
Good night, friends.
So I'll talk to you guys later.
Okay. Later.
Blow kisses. Say bye-bye, Louisiana. Team, what? Can you pose? Again? Yes. All right.